Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan gue Hanif Ardani. Sekarang gue mau mencoba review 3D sound teman-teman ya. Oke sih, gimana? Apa sih itu 3D sound teman-teman ya? Oke, 3D sound itu suatu suara ya yang kita dengarkan seperti ada di sekeliling kita. Tapi itu ya cuman suara, tapi kayak beneran teman-teman. Oke, mungkin kita nggak usah basa-basi kebanyakan. Mungkin teman-teman tahunya itu apa ya, 3D sound. 3D sound itu kayak 3D itu kan buat kayak kacamata 3D gitu ya, buat nonton kayak film bioskop itu yang timbul itu. Kalau yang ini enggak teman-teman ya. Oke, kalau yang ini suara, tapi suaranya kayak sih teman-teman harus siapkan headset. Oke, gua pakai headset biasa aja ini, dan nama penutup mata, ntar mata kalian ditutup. Oke, gua adanya pakai ini. Mungkin teman-teman bisa pakai apa aja, yang penting matanya ketutup. Oke, mungkin kita langsung aja nyobain. Kita pakai dulu headsetnya. Oke, seperti apa sih suaranya ya teman-teman ya? Oke, kita coba. Kita tutup mata kita ya, masukin dulu. Biar kelihatan beneran katanya. Oke, kita tutup. Oke, kita dengarkan ya teman-teman ya. Oke, udah mulai.
Hello there. How are you? Yes. You're for the virtual haircut? Yes, okay. I will go get Luigi. He will come and cut your hair. I am Manuel. Just stay right there.
Ada yang ngetok pintu.
Luigi.
Oh, ada yang datang itu.
Luigi.
Oh, teman-teman, ini ya, ini di tempat pemotongan rambut, namanya virtual geli shop. Oke, kita sini orangnya.
He is coming up right now, and meanwhile I will go over here and play the music, play the guitar, because that is what I do here at the barber shop.
Kayak orangnya lagi nyuci apa nggak tahu. Lagunya
It's so nice to see you. Welcome to the Starkey Cetera Barbershop and your virtual haircut. I'd like to start the demonstration by moving over to your right-hand side and picking up this bag.
Ada suara plastik
If you
teman-teman.
just hold still for a second, I'll put this bag over your head. Just like that. The bag over the top of the head. And now I'll take the bag off. There we go. The only reason I did that is because all of the fancy barbershops do that. What you're listening to as I move off to your right here and very quickly wash my hands. Manuel, could you get that, please?
Halo.
Thank you, Manuel. Let me finish washing my hands here.
Nggak diangkat
Just,
teman.
bear with me for a few more seconds.
Oh, halo, nggak diangkat nih.
There we go. Yes. As I was saying, all we are doing is using your head as the listening point. And we have two microphones,
Geli
one
telinganya
on
teman-teman
either
ya.
side of the head, in the same position
Agak bunyi.
as where your left and your right ears are. Your brain is doing all of the work, telling you where the sounds are coming from. Okay, I'll go get the scissors.
Udah mulai dicukur nih teman-teman ya. Udah mulai dipotong rambutnya. Ini ada suara gunting.
Now,
di sini.
as I begin a clipping, and I bring the
Pemotong
clippers
rambut.
closer to your ear,
Terasa banget
Very
teman-teman ya, kayak
close
lagi
to the
dipotong
right
kentang.
ear. Follow me as I move around the back of the head to the
Okay.
left ear. And up and over the top of the head. Okay. Now, you can get the same effect better with the electric razor. I'll first bring it close to your right ear.
Terasa banget teman-teman ya. Aduh,
The
kayak
first
beneran.
and around the back. And onto your left. There. I think that looks wonderful. Manuel, what do you think?
Huh? What? Yes. Yes. It looks wonderful, Luigi. You do such nice work.
Thank you so much, Manuel.
So fast, too.
Now, as I walk around, I just want to tell you once more that your ability to hear where I am as I walk around the room is simply the amazing power of your brain. Calculating the tiny differences or cues in sound intensity and arrival time from two open ears. And unlike any other hearing instrument, only one has the digital algorithm that negates its own physical presence in the ear to fully restore those differences. That algorithm is called
Suara. Kurang ajar nih orangnya.
Satera. Well, thank you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Starkey Virtual Barber Shop. Goodbye and arrivederci.
Wah, udah selesai ya. Oke. Kayak beneran teman-teman ya. Ngeri banget suaranya. Asli orangnya bikin gila. Oke teman-teman, tadi ada di tempat pemotongan rambut. Jadi ceritanya itu orang datang, konsumen minta potong tadi. Tapi orangnya gila banget tadi teman-teman ya. Suaranya bisik-bisik di telinga gua, kayak stres pokoknya. Oke, mungkin segitu aja dari gua. Makasih udah menonton. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and comment di bawah video.